Hello everyone, this is UPSC 2023 Agriculture Optional Paper 2 question. So the question is, write down about the origin and the domestication of rice. So what is the demand of the question? We have to tell about the origin and the domestication of the rice. So initially all the crops were of wild species, and as the human civilization evolved, it led to the domestication of the crops. So we have to tell about the origin and the domestication of rice. So this is a brief introduction, that is, rice is one of the most ancient and the important cereal crops, serving as a staple food for over half of the global population. Its domestication marked a turning point in the agricultural evolution in Asia. Now, the origin of the rice is traced to the region encompassing the eastern Himalayas, including northeast India, South China, and the Southeast Asia. So these are the areas where the origin of the rice has been traced. And the archaeological findings from the Yangtze River Valley and the Ganges Valley sites, they provide the early evidence of the rice cultivation. So these are the areas where the origin of the rice has been traced, and these are the river valleys where the early evidence of the rice cultivation have been found. So these sites, they cater to the demand of the question that we have to write about the origin of the rice. Now the two main subspecies, that is Indica and the Japonica, evolved through domestication from the wild species. सी इनिशियली जितनी भी क्रॉप्स होती हैं वो हमारी वाइल्ड स्पीशीज़ होती हैं, बट एज़ द ह्यूमन सिविलाइजेशन इवॉल्व, तो जो हमारी प्लांट स्पीशीज़ थी उन्होंने भी इवॉल्व किया. तो जैसे जैसे जो है ह्यूमन पर्सनस ने, जब उन्होंने एक फेवरेबल ट्रेट्स को ऑब्जर्व किया उन वाइल्ड स्पीशीज़ में, तो उन्होंने उन पर्टिकुलर स्पीशीज़ को जो है निकाल के वहाँ से उन्होंने जो है अपनी जो उनकी खुद की अपनी जो लैंड थी वहाँ पे उन्होंने उसको कल्टिवेट किया. तो उसी को हम डोमेस्टिकेशन बोलते हैं. तो ऐसे ही जो है धीरे धीरे जो है जैसे जैसे उनको एक फेवरेबल ट्रेट्स उनको जो है वाइल्ड स्पीशीज़ में मिलते गए, उन्होंने उसको डोमेस्टिकेट करना स्टार्ट हुआ. सो इन दैट वे it led to the domestication of the rice. So these are some of the traits that led to the domestication, that is non-shattering seeds, erect growth, and synchronous flowering. So it marked the key domestication traits. So human selection and the adaptation to the diverse agroecological zones facilitated its spread across the Asia, Africa, and the Europe. So in this way, the domestication of the rice spread to the other areas also. Hence, the domestication of the rice laid the foundation for the settled agriculture in the Asia and continues to play a pivotal role in ensuring food security globally. So in this way you can attempt this question. Thank you and keep watching my videos, and to get the PDFs of these videos you can join my Telegram channel. Thank you.